Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and let's get straight to the problem. So how can you actually deactivate your store? Not deactivate the account, guys, just deactivate and delete your store and your domain from Shopify. So if you choose a plan, you make your store, you're not happy how it looks like, guys, you want to pause, you want to delete it, whatever you want to do with it, it's super easy. We need to log in into our account, guys, and from that point on, all you need to do is to look on your left side. That's step number one. Of course, look on the left side, find your online store right here. You can see below this huge menu, guys, is down your online store. As you know, you can view your online store. As you can see right here, how it looks like. This is, for example, my store, just for the video purposes only, but it ain't matter. So go back. After that, online store, you can see themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, preferences. That really doesn't matter right now. So what we need to do is to check it out. Themes up here, view your store again, down below are templates. But what we need to do is to deactivate it. I don't like it. I don't need it anymore. So here, next to this unpin from your navigation, you go to these three dots right here, manage app, no, press on uninstall. So once you press on it, uninstall online store, you can see before you delete, make sure you've fulfilled all orders from your online store and processed any returns or refunds. The following store will be deleted. Right here you can see your domain and everything, and what you need to do before you press on uninstall. In bottom right corner, you need to go right here to press on I understand the risks of uninstalling the sales channel. Removing this sales channel could make some of your apps stop working. Your Shopify rate will increase from $32 a month to $9 a month. Will decrease, of course, guys. Our request will be sent to the app developer within 48 hours to delete all personal customer information and learn about data privacy and everything. Reasons for uninstalling, guys, optional. Of course, you do not need to do that, but you can press on it. It's helpful for Shopify, so you can check it out. If you don't have store anymore, your rate, as I said, will decrease from, for example, $32 a month to $9 a month straight away. Once you press on it, uninstall right here, that's basically it. You're good to go. You're welcome. See you in the next one.